Hello and namaste everyone. Once again welcome back to my YouTube channel Yograja. So today I will teach you sun salutation and variation. This will help you to increase your full body flexibility. It will help you to improve your core strength, arm strength, and plus helpful to reduce your body weight. Now this you can use as a warm up before your yoga practice. So we start. Okay, so everyone come in the cat pose. Take your knee and hip in one line and take your wrist and shoulder in one line. Now slowly inhale. We will do little warm up for the spine. Look up. Then slowly exhale. Hunch your back. Lock your chin. Hunch your back and feel your thoraxes. Again, slowly inhale, look up to the ceiling. Exhale. Hunch your back, lock your chin, focus on your thoraxes, lift up as high as possible. Last two, inhale, slowly look up to the ceiling, stretch your chin. Exhale, hunch your back. Lift up, feel your thoraxes. One more time. Inhale, slowly look up, take it up. Now slowly exhale, toe tucked in, go back. Now you can call it as a mountain pose or down dog, press down. Now right leg forward, in between your hand, right leg forward. Now right knee 90 degree. Raise both hands straight, look up, left leg straight, heel will be up, look up. Exhale, slowly go down, plank, feet together, contract your core, look 1 meter forward. No breath, drop your knee, chest down, look straight. Inhale, roll your shoulder back, expand your rib cage, contract your hip muscles. Exhale, slowly take it back here. Press your heel on the mat. Lower back straight. Left leg, put it forward in between your hand. Raise both hands straight. Look up. Push your shoulder up. Make sure left leg 90 degree. Exhale, both hands down. Plank. Go back. Contract your core. No breath, drop belly, chest down, look straight. Inhale, look up, contract your hip muscles, roll your shoulder back. Exhale, slowly take it back, both legs straight, lower back straight, press down, lock your chin, look at your navel. One more round, right leg forward, in between your hand. Raise both hands straight, look up. Exhale, plank, go back, feet together. Drop your knee, chest down, look straight. Inhale, look up, contract your hip muscles. Exhale, slowly take it back. Press your heel on the mat, lower back straight. Left leg forward in between your hand. Raise both hands straight. Inhale, look up. Now exhale, plank, go back, feet together. Drop your knee, chest down, look straight. Inhale, look up to the ceiling, contract your hip muscles. Now exhale, take it back. And stay there. Now we will hold here for 6 breaths. Stay there. 6, inhale in your lungs. 5, exhale. 4, inhale. 3, exhale. 2, inhale. And 1, exhale. Now again, take a right leg forward in between your hand. Raise the both hands straight, look up. Now we'll twist. Put your left shoulder to the right knee, both hands straight, look up to the ceiling. Inhale, raise the both hands straight, look up. Now exhale, go back, take it back here. Now first we'll do plank, then chaturanga, go back. Inhale, now up dog, knees will be up, both hands straight, look up. Down dog, exhale, press your heel on the mat, lower back straight. Left leg forward in between your hand, raise the both hands straight, inhale, look up. Twist, exhale, put your right shoulder to the left knee, both hands straight, look up to the ceiling. Again, inhale, raise both hands up. First plank, exhale, then chaturanga. Inhale, look up, both hands straight. Exhale, slowly take it back, one more round, right left. Right leg forward, inhale, raise both hands up, look up. Twist, exhale, put your left shoulder to the right knee, look up to the ceiling. Inhale, raise both hands straight. Again, first plank, go back. Then chaturanga. Inhale, look up to the ceiling. Exhale, go back, down dog. Left leg forward, inhale, raise both hands up. Twist, exhale, take it to the left. Put your right shoulder to the left knee, look up. Inhale, raise both hands up. First plank, go back. Chaturanga. Inhale, look up. Now again, exhale and stay there for 6 breaths. Stay there. 6, inhale. 5, exhale. 4, inhale. 3, exhale. 2, inhale. And 1, exhale. Now again, right leg forward in between your leg. Raise both hands up, look up. Now try to interlock your finger at the back. But if you can't, so hands straight, no problem. Again, inhale, raise both hands up. Now, chaturanga, right leg up. Exhale, chaturanga, right leg up. Look straight. Inhale, look up to the ceiling. Now left leg up, exhale, down dog, left leg up. Stay there. Now left leg forward in between your hand, raise both hands straight, look up. Exhale, twist to the left, catch your wrist. If you can't, so keep your both hands straight, no problem. Inhale, raise both hands straight. Chaturanga, left leg up, exhale. Inhale, look up. Down dog, right leg up, exhale. Right leg forward, inhale, raise both hands up. Twist, exhale, catch your wrist. Look up to the ceiling. Inhale, raise both hands up. Chaturanga, right leg up, bend the elbow, look straight forward. Inhale, look up. Down dog, left leg up, exhale. Left leg forward, inhale, raise both hands up. Exhale, twist, take it to the left, catch your wrist. Inhale, raise both hands up. Exhale, chaturanga, left leg up. Inhale, look up. Again, feet together, down dog and stay there. Last round, 6, inhale. 5, exhale. 4, inhale. 3, exhale. 2, inhale. And 1, exhale. Now again, right leg forward. In between your hand, right leg forward. Now take both hands straight forward here. Keep your back straight. Push the shoulder forward. Exhale, both hands down. Now feet together. Side plank. Take your right hand straight. Look up. Exhale, chaturanga. Look to your nose. Inhale, look up and stretch. Exhale, slowly take it back and stretch. Left leg forward, in between your hand. Take your both hands straight. Keep your lower back straight. Exhale, plank, go back. Now side plank. Inhale, left hands up. Find the balance. Exhale, chaturanga, go back. Inhale, look up. Last 2. Exhale, go back. Right leg forward, in between your hand. Take your both hands straight forward. Contract your core. Exhale, plank. Inhale, right hands up, side plank. Contract your hip and core. Exhale, chaturanga. Inhale, look up. Exhale, take it back and stretch. Inhale, left leg forward. Raise both hands straight forward. Exhale, plank. Inhale, left hands up, look up. Exhale, chaturanga. Inhale, look up. And exhale, and stay there. Again, 6 breath. 6, inhale. 5, exhale. 4, inhale. 3, exhale. 2, inhale. And 1, exhale. Okay, now slowly drop your knee down. Take it here and sit down here. Okay, so slowly relax your hand here. Okay. Now, so we done. This was the variation of sun salutation. You can use as a warm-up and you can practice this before your yoga practice. It will help you to warm your whole body part. It will help you to improve the mobility and flexibility of the body. But if you're searching more videos for advanced back bend, hip opening, twisting, handstand, hand balance, so I had already made the tutorial video. I had given link in the description box. You can check there or you can check it on my playlist. So thank you so much everyone for joining this video, and I'm having online workshop also. You can check the detail on my Instagram Yograja20, or I have given the link my Instagram in the description box. You can check from there. And please like, share and comment. Thank you so much everyone. Bye bye.